I just wanted to let you know that I started working on faux ammolite tutorials. I have like 3 different techniques in my mind. This is the first experiment on the first one. I will be making several different techniques, and at least one of them will be public and uploaded for free on YouTube. These cabochons are not fully sanded and fully buffed. I never do that whenever I'm experimenting, but I just wanted to let you know what to look forward to. Of course, it's going to take me about 2 more weeks to perfect the whole process and to make the tutorial itself, but I wanted to let you know what to look forward to.